Most people who say they want to build an online marketplace actually have no idea what an online marketplace is. And that's not an insult. I didn't know that either when I first started out. I built 4 online marketplaces recently. 2 failed, 1 is barely working, and 1 is actually working quite well. And only after building all these marketplaces did I really realize what an online marketplace is, and maybe more importantly, what it is not. So in this video, I'm going to take you through what exactly an online marketplace is with real examples so that you don't waste months building something that it is not. And if you are an online marketplace beginner, this video will save you a lot of confusion. So let me give you some context. Over the years, I built multiple marketplaces. One was a marketplace for buying and selling podcast ads. Another one was a marketplace for basically turning your home into a co-working space. And both of these ones failed, unfortunately. Then I also built a marketplace where people can make, buy and sell stars, so kind of like a fun marketplace. This one exists, but it's not that active. And then I also built a collector's marketplace, so for buying and selling Moomin mugs, and that is actually quite popular in the Nordic region. So that one is active and there are transactions every week. And here's the important part. Building each of these marketplaces taught me something different about what a marketplace really is. So this did not come from theory, but from painful mistakes. So everything I'm about to explain you comes from building these things in the real world, not just from reading blog posts. So let's start simple. An online marketplace is a platform that allows 2 or more groups of people to transact with each other. So usually it's buyers, sellers, and then the platform in the middle. And the key word here is transaction. So a marketplace isn't just about listings. It's about money, trust, and rules. So a real marketplace has 5 core elements. So 1 is supply, so some people offering something. Number 2 is demand, so some people who want it. Number 3, transactions, so real money flowing through the platform. Number 4 is trust, so that comes through reviews, ratings, and some kind of protection. And that goes hand in hand with number 5, which is rules. So what happens when something goes wrong? So if any of these are missing, you don't really have a real marketplace. So let's go through a couple of examples of what a marketplace is not. So first up, a marketplace is not a directory. A directory is just listing people or businesses, and once they find each other, they leave the site. There's no transactions, no enforcement, and no reason to come back. In a real marketplace, money flows through the platform, and because of money flowing through the platform matters. Secondly, a marketplace is not an e-com store. In an e-com store, you're the seller and you're the only seller. You own the inventory and you control the supply. In a marketplace, you as the marketplace owner, you don't actually own anything. Other people are creating the value on your marketplace. So if you think as a store owner when you're building your marketplace, you almost always will fail. And thirdly, a marketplace is not a SaaS tool. SaaS products, they win by adding features, whereas marketplaces, they win by getting people to basically show up. So most marketplaces, they don't fail because there are some features that are missing. They basically fail most of the times because they don't manage to get both sides to basically connect and to meet up, you could say. So this is probably the biggest mental shift that beginners, they struggle with. So this is why most marketplaces fail. It's not because of the idea and it's not because of the tech. It's basically because no one shows up. So you don't manage to get any listings, you don't manage to get anyone to buy, no transactions. So that's the main reason why marketplaces fail. And that's also what I learned when I built my first couple of marketplaces. I was focusing too much on the tech and not enough on how I was actually gonna get the first couple of listings, then how I was gonna get buyers, and basically how I was gonna get them to transact. So a marketplace is not just a website, it's more a system where you need momentum all the time. And not all types of marketplaces are the same. Overall, there are 4 different types of marketplaces. So here you can see I'm on Promotora on the documentation, and as you can see here, first of all we have the general type of marketplace. So that's a flexible marketplace for any type of listing basically. So the good example here is Craigslist. So there you can basically sell pretty much anything you would like to. Then there's the product marketplace. So that is kind of an e-commerce marketplace, you could say. So it involves shipping. So the seller, once they receive an order, they will have to ship it to the buyer. So a good example here is Etsy. Then there's the rental type marketplace. We probably all know them. So Airbnb is probably the best example here. So as a seller, you put up your apartment, for instance, for rent, and then buyers can basically rent your apartment when you are not using it. And then of course there's the service type marketplace. So the best example here is probably Upwork. So you offer your service to basically do something for the buyer. So that could be anything like a project-based work, consultation, or something like that. So if you take one thing away from this video, it's this. So a marketplace is not just a website, and it's not just a store, and it's also not just a directory. It's basically a system that enables transactions between strangers. And if you're thinking about building an online marketplace, then please go ahead and drop your marketplace idea here in the comments and I'll give you my feedback. Also, if you want to start building your marketplace, then please go ahead and check out Promotora. And if you are interested in marketplace building overall, then subscribe to this channel. Also, I would appreciate it if you give this video an upvote. That would mean a lot. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in the next one. See you. Bye bye. Ciao.